So good morning and welcome to RANsquawk's e-morning briefing for Thursday, the 18th of March of 2010. One of the major stories again overnight has been that of Greece. Latest situation, it does seem, according to press articles as well as various officials, is that it looks increasingly unlikely that Greece will get any aid from the EU, and just looking more so that they will turn to the IMF. In terms of that, we have seen a generally weaker euro in the currencies, pretty much across the board in all the pairs and crosses. As well, in the spreads, they've continued to tick gradually higher. The spread has widened roughly around 16 basis points, trading around 316 at the moment in terms of the Greek Bund 10-year spread. That in turn has helped lift or underpin some of the latest rise in bunds, which were initially weighed down out of some large supply this morning, which did come out of both France and Spain. In terms of other things of note from the European morning, was out of London, the latest in the UK public finance data actually came out slightly better than expected. Net borrowing was indeed lower than previous, was revised as well. So at the moment, gilt futures have been seeing a bit of an upward momentum. Did get a bit of a technical break as well on the move back above the 115 handle. As well, we've just seen a pretty decent pickup and a tight towel in terms of the latest 10-year auction out of the Debt Management Office. So that public finance data setting aside any of those near-term fears over the sovereign rating of the UK. So gilt futures are seeing some outperformance this morning. In terms of looking ahead then for things to come for the US schedule, we do have the US CPI numbers. And then we also have the Philly Fed survey a bit later on. In terms of earnings pre-market, FedEx is going to take the centre stage there. And in terms of the US Treasury, we're looking for a 2, 5 and 7 year note refunding. That'll be a bit later on in the session.